Hello, I'm Pazu from Fanling Assembly of God Church Primary School. I'd like to thank my parents for everything they've done for me. I'd also like to thank teacher Sam from Chancery English for teaching me since kindergarten. I'd like to thank the principal of the school for letting me into school and giving me this big opportunity. I'd also like to thank the teachers in this school and also my previous school for teaching me since 7 years old. I also read books when it's my bedtime and also in my free time because picture books or novels can really teach you new words, which is great for this test because I feel like this test really just tests your vocabulary. Because there's a bunch of because the questions there's a sentence, right? And the question is there's a blank space in the question. And there's a bunch of multiple choice questions where you just put one word into the blank and see if it works or not. I feel like the TOEFL test is more focused on the language parts, while yeah, it's more focused on the language parts. Where you really it just tests your vocabulary more than it tests your grammar skills and reading skills. I feel like it really see how much words you know. That's really it. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks. It really just tests how you how well you learned in class. So I really just study from my textbooks and I think it can help me find better jobs in my future, and also I think it can help me get into a university when I grow up because normally the universities look at your test results from your schools, but they might just think that your school's standard is low. Not saying this school is low. I'm just saying hypothetically. They might think that your standard is low. But when they see your TOEFL results, they might think, oh, this test is international, so there must be a higher standard. I recommend the people who are actually familiar with English to take this test because, again, I think this test really just tests their vocabulary and really just sees how much word they've really learned. So I feel like the people who are, well, good in English should take this exam. My goal for English is really just to learn more English. More. And maybe sometime in the future, hopefully, I might be able to maybe write a book. Hopefully not a lot. To maybe just share with other people because I do like reading books and I do want to make one when I grow up because I feel like it it you know it would be fun. I just feel like the experience would be fun. TOEFL, best of the best.